Yeah.
Hello everyone, hi, my name is Weltha. Okay you guys, so today we're gonna make a taco baked potato. So come on, come cook with me. Okay guys, so the ingredients that we're gonna need for this meal is, okay, for the taco part of it, I'm gonna use ground turkey, okay? And then we're gonna need some the baked potatoes. So I have the really big Idaho potatoes. We're gonna need some lettuce, some tomatoes, the taco sauce. We're gonna use some black beans, some green onions, and some red onions. We're gonna need salsa and some sour cream, okay? And lettuce. I think I said lettuce. And of course you're gonna need the cheese. So those are all the ingredients that we're gonna need. So come on, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so here are the ingredients up close, okay? So we got the tomatoes, we have the salsa, the sour cream, the onions, the ground turkey, the lettuce, the cheese, taco sauce, and we're gonna need some black beans. So those are all the ingredients, okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna let the meat cook first, okay? Before we start chopping up the vegetables, I'm gonna put the meat on. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just putting the meat on the stove, the ground turkey, okay? We're gonna let it cook, and it's gonna cook while we chop up the vegetables. Okay guys, and then after that, you just close your microwave and you put your you click the potato button, okay? And then my potato button is for 4 minutes, so I'm gonna click that twice, and then the potato will be completely ready, okay? So 8 minutes for this one potato and it'll be done, okay? All right, so get your potato ready, all right? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna chop up the onions right now, okay? So I'm gonna chop up the onions, and then I'll chop up the tomatoes and the lettuce, okay? So okay, so now I'm gonna chop up the red onion. Okay, so now it's time for the tomatoes. So just dice your tomatoes, you guys. Okay guys, so the last thing that I need to chop up is the lettuce, okay? Okay you guys, so I have everything chopped up. So everything's chopped and ready to go. And also for the beans, you guys, these are the black beans that I'm using, okay? So I just took those out of the can, and then I'm just gonna, I heated them up in the microwave also, okay? And these are the black beans that I used, okay? They have a little jalapeno inside the beans already, okay? So I just put those in the microwave, and that's it. All right, so these are the toppings for our taco baked potato, okay? Okay, so let me get everything else together and we can make the taco baked potato. Okay, you guys, so the turkey meat is done. So I'm gonna add the taco sauce to it, okay? And it's kind of dry, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here. I don't want to add a lot of oils to it. I'm just adding a little bit of water so that I don't have to add oil. I don't want to put any oil with my turkey. So just make sure you get all the sauce on all the meat. And I think I want to add a little bit of ground red pepper. Just a little bit, pinch of my ground red pepper. And it's not coming out. Hold on. Okay. All right, so we're gonna turn the stove off, and the potatoes are ready, you guys, and we're just gonna make this taco baked potato, okay? Okay, you guys, so here are all the ingredients now that we're done making everything. Okay, you have the salsa, sour cream, the lettuce, the cheese, the black beans, the tomatoes, the 2 different types of onions, and we have the taco meat cooked and the potato. Okay, so now let's just make a taco baked potato. All right, so that's all the ingredients, you guys, all lined up right there. Okay, all right, so let's get started making the taco baked potato. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna move everything to the side so we can get started and make the taco baked potato. Okay, so let's make some room. So we got the potatoes, okay, and everything else is on the side. So let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna cut the potatoes. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys, so the potatoes, look at that, they're ready. Okay, so I'm just gonna smash them into a little bit like that so I can get it all ready to be cut. Okay, like that. All right, and then now I'm gonna slice it. Ooh, look at that. Slice that one. Okay, you guys. And then I'm gonna get my spoon. Just make some room in there so we can put everything in there, okay? Oops. All right. I didn't want that one to split all the way. Oh well, so we'll just lay it flat. Okay. So we'll have 2 different types of ways we make it. We place the okay, hold on. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna add, okay, that to the side. Make some room for the taco meat. Okay, and this one we'll just smash it down for the taco meat to go on top. Okay, you can make it like this or you can have it flat. Okay, you guys, let's push it over a little bit. All right, so now we're gonna add the taco meat. So put the taco meat in there like that. You can put as much as you want. And if you want, you can dig some of the potato out to make room for more taco meat if you want. See, like it comes out really easy. So you can just take out some potato and put more taco meat. Okay. All right, look at that. All right, so now we're gonna do the other one. So just put that taco meat all over that potato, you guys. Okay. don't know if you like your potato like this, or do you like it like that? Either way, still tastes the same. Okay. All right, so now time for the other ingredients. All right, so now we're gonna put, oops, sorry you guys. Now I wanna put some black beans on it. Okay, with some black beans. Okay, the black beans on it, you guys. All right, a little more. All right, so that's the black beans. Okay, so now we're gonna get some tomatoes, you guys. So let's put some tomatoes on it. Tomatoes. Okay, you guys, so next we're gonna add the onions. Okay, so I have two types of onions. So I'll put the red onions. Red onions, you guys. And then I'll add the green onion. Okay. All right, now some green onions. See all that color? Beautiful colors, right? You got something that's gonna look really nice eating. Okay, those are the green onions. Okay, now next we're gonna add, you know what? The next thing we're gonna add is the cheese. Okay, let's add some cheese. Okay, cheese on there. You guys can put as much cheese as you want, but I'm trying to make this look presentable, so I won't overcrowd it with the cheese. Okay, okay, next we're gonna put some salsa. Okay, let's add some salsa. So let it drip on there for a nice presentation. Don't that look good, you guys? Nice, presentable. Okay, there you go. Now, you guys, the last thing we're gonna add is the sour cream. Okay, so I'll put that one right in the middle. Okay, and for this one, I'll put her right on top, or maybe to the side a little bit, huh? Okay, there you go. And we're all done, you guys. Oh, wait, we're not done, you guys. I gotta add my lettuce. So I want to keep it looking presentable, so we're just gonna put the lettuce on the side. Okay, and there you have it. You have a taco baked potato. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys, so let me clean up the plate and I will be back. All right, you guys, and there you have it. You have your taco baked potatoes. You see that, you guys? You like the nice color? And there you have it. Taco baked potato. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye guys.
Yeah.